Yeah, actually, I'm Gopal Dhage, Director of Alvin Plastic Machinery India Private Limited. We have participated here in exhibition 2025, and we are also a gold sponsor for this exhibition. And we are really happy to see the crowds, the customer visiting at our stall and interested for new technology, innovative technology, and some new camera inspection system. We are basically injection molding machine provider. We do provide Nisai all electrical machine Japan. We have vertical insert molding machine from Lizu, China. Then we have camera inspection, cavity pressure monitoring system from Hungary. We have some specialized machine for thermoset and backlight machines. We have small machines for micro molding so that customer can get the benefit instead of running this product in big machines, and precise parts they can run on our machines. So really we are happy and fortunate to have part of Plasto team, and we wish we could participate in next 2027 also in 9th edition. Thank you very much.